I am running several businesses right now, and I almost bought a separate phone for each one. Because what happens when you're trying to run multiple brands from one phone is you need a TikTok account, like for my drop shipping stores. And you need another one for your AI business, another one for your personal brand. If you switch between them, you end up getting banned. It looks like you're trying to game the system and use multiple accounts to, increase your numbers or something like that. So what I currently do is I use my phone for one account, then I go grab one of my kids' iPads for another account, and it's quite a mess. So this is where Multilogin cloud phones comes in, because these are real Android devices running in the cloud. They're not emulators. They're actual phones with real hardware. So you can basically spin up as many different phones as you want and use them. So let me show you how this works. So I'm going to create a new phone instance right now. We'll call this is for dropshipping store. And we can even put that we want this for TikTok, we'll say. We'll run Android 14 on it. Doesn't matter what brand, could be anything. Let's go ahead and create. So just like that, we have an Android phone that we can spin up and with TikTok already on there. But here we go. So I have my Android device. Took about 30 seconds to get it going. So then I can just pull up the Play Store, install TikTok, Instagram, whatever I need, just like a normal device. So let's get a second one. We'll say, again, this is Android 14. We'll say this one's a Samsung. And instead of location random, we'll say this one is coming from Australia. So this is an Android device in Australia. We'll say a Galaxy S24. And just like that, now we've got two phones. These are two actual Android phones, one from Australia, one from Saudi Arabia. Different IP addresses, different fingerprints, different logins, zero crossover. So TikTok sees these as two completely unrelated devices. Super handy for anything you might need to do on a phone. Even you guys know I have the app program. I'm building apps. Super helpful for testing the app on different devices and not using the simulator. The simulator doesn't actually mimic like a real device, but this is a real device. So you can check this out for yourself. Link down below. You get 3 days for €2, which is $2.33. Sorry, I'm an American. Don't know exchange rates real well. So let me know in the comments, what is your use case for this? Again, I have a lot of uses for this with all the different businesses I run. So I'm going to use it for social media. Going to use it to test Android apps. But let me know in the comments what you would use it for. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you all and have a great rest of the day.